Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Realtek PCIe GBE family controller if it keeps disconnecting on your PC. Let's go step by step and get this fixed. Step 1. Adjust Auto-Disable Gigabit setting. First, head over to the search bar and type View Network Connections, then click on it. Find your network adapter, double-click on it, then click Properties. Now click Configure, and once you're in this window, go to the Advanced tab. Look for a setting called Auto-Disable Gigabit. You may have to scroll down to find it. Once you do, click on Value and select Relink Battery, or AC. Click OK, then close the window. Step 2. Adjust Auto-Disable Gigabit. Device Manager. Now go back to the search bar and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand the Network Adapter section and find Realtek PCIe GBE Family Controller. Right-click on it, select Properties, and go to the Advanced tab again. Just like before, scroll to find Auto-Disable Gigabit, set the value to Relink Battery or AC, and click OK. Next, go to the search bar and type CMD, then run it as administrator and click Yes. Now type the command ipconfig/flush DNS. Hit Enter, and then type netsh winsock reset. Hit Enter again. Once you've done all that, restart your computer. That should fix the disconnecting issue with your Realtek network adapter. If this helped, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more fixes like this. Thanks for watching.